everybody, I'm Rick Orlando with Farm Fresh to Market. I'm here at Different Drummers Kitchen, and we're going to be making some fabulous no-churn ice cream using some of my favorite local ingredients. You guys like local ingredients, right? This is old school. This is like pre-hipster farmers market stuff, right? This is Meadowbrook Dairy. They've been delivering milk to the Capital District in milk trucks since who knows when, but I know that we've been buying it since the late 80s in our restaurants, and it's just real cream, and they're a real family farm, and they come in the truck, and it's like, what more do you want, right? And then we're also going to feature cajeta, or goat milk caramel, or goat milk dulce de leche, which is the sugar of milk. Our friends Alyssa and Javier, they have a goat farm in Garrettsville, New York, past Cooperstown, and among the things they make, great goat cheese, great goat yogurt. They make dulce de leche because Javier is from South America, and this is a traditional South American treat. So we're going to make some no-churn dulce de leche ice cream using painted goat cajeta from New York. And it's so easy, you're going to smack me good, I can take it, you're going to like it. It is really just gelato. And what we're going to use is sweetened condensed milk. This is good sweetened condensed milk, it's just milk and sugar. And one little can, which is 14 ounces. Yum, those little treats. We're gonna add a little vanilla to this. And we're going to add, and you don't have to, but I happen to have a little bit of bourbon here from Berkshire Distillery. And the reason why I'm gonna add the bourbon is it's gonna change the freezing point of this and let it not get too hard in the freezer. The alcohol, you don't have to. If you're adverse to alcohol, God bless, right? But the alcohol will keep it from stabilizing, freezing too hard. Sometimes, if I'm making different flavors, if doing strawberry, I may use a little strawberry liqueur. If I want a neutral flavor, I'll use a little vodka. But you don't need a lot, about a half an ounce for this small batch. Get all those flavors together. Now I'm gonna turn on the heat on the stove. I want to get the cajeta to warm up just a little bit so it's easier to fold in, and that should be good. And meanwhile, we're going to make whipped cream. So this is basically sweetened condensed milk, whipped cream, flavoring is ice cream. No need for an ice cream maker. Look at that. This cream is about 50% butterfat. It's no GMOs, no added hormones, family farm. It's everything that's good in the world, really, I mean, for my money. And it whips really quickly. Have you told me you've made butter out of this before by mistake? So have I. But you just get a good rhythm going. It's always good to just get that rhythm going, baby. We're gonna make some whipped cream. Should take about 90 seconds. You have that much time on that digital disc there? But you know, if you were to buy ultra pasteurized commercial cream and try to whip it by hand, you'd really have to work it. I mean, work it hard. This stuff, you can see it's already starting to come together. All right, so when the cream starts to thicken up, be careful, because this is very fatty cream and it'll turn to butter really fast. Stiff peak, holds a peak. There you are. And to me, that's like my desert island food, is whipped cream. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take the whipped cream, we're going to add it to our sweetened condensed milk. We're going to combine the two together gently, just like you were making cake batter. And now, we're going to take our warm cajeta, give it a stir, take a nice spoonful or two right in there, and that is our streakies. Look. All right, this, my friends, goes right into the freezer, and in about 2 to 3 hours, you have fabulous, airy gelato. And if you don't believe me, stay right where you are. I'm going to the freezer, and by the miracle of video, the two I made this afternoon are right here. There's 2 pints, and that is how easy this is to make. Now, when everything is in season and you get your local berries and all the good stuff, you can fold berries into this, you can fold chocolate in, but this cajeta makes a fabulous ice cream. Look at this texture.
Oh,
Nice canals. Now, staying in the tradition of South American cooking, I'm going to add a little fresh cinnamon to the top of this just for fun. And you're going to have some fabulous ice cream. But see how easy that was to make? Can you make that? Can you use an electric mixer? Sure you could. Why not? I just wanted to show off. Just a little bit of cinnamon. Oops. Ladies, give me your feedback on that.
It's amazing.
They're silent, and I think silence is what we like to hear. My name is Rick Orlando, and we've been doing a little recipe for Farm Fresh to Market. We made dulce de leche ice cream using Painted Goat Cajeta, goat's milk caramel from Garrettsville, New York, and Meadowbrook Farm from Clarksville, New York. They're amazing cream. Simple recipe. You can do it at home. What do you think, girls?
Delicious.
Come on, come on.
Delicious. So
Make some noise. All right. FarmFreshToMarket.com is where the recipes and many other recipes live. Click on, download, read the articles, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.